Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Asia here, if this is your first time to my channel. If it's not, welcome back. We're gonna do this smoky eye look right here. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do a smoky eye. I think my smoky eyes are pretty much the same like they've been in the past, but just in case, I think I may have added a little bit more color because that gradient effect on the eye looks really good. So I just wanted to kind of do an updated smoky eye tutorial. I said all that to say I'm doing an updated smoky eye look. I don't know if what I actually do are tutorials. I just like doing makeup with you guys. Okay, so this is the look. I'm gonna stop blabbing. I will see you guys after it's done. Psych, I'm still gonna talk a little bit. Otherwise it's like we're just sitting here in silence, listening to music, watching me do what I'm doing to my eye. And who wants to do that? You guys want to actually like have me to talk to, right? I don't know. Anyways, this crease color, I'm actually going to be using 4 colors on my eye. So this starter color is my crease color, and you'll notice I'm like doing a lot of tapping. I'm not doing a windshield wiper motion, okay, except for right there. But I'm doing a lot of tapping. That brush that I just put on my eye, I don't know if you noticed, but it put a little bit of black on my eye. I was kind of frustrated because I grabbed the wrong brush. So went back over into a different brush, and with this brush right here, it's a Sonia Kashuk brush, I'm very lightly, like super lightly, laying a lighter color that looks more like has more of an orange tint to it than the burgundy crease color that I used. And you'll see that the more that I blend it out. Now I'm going in with this darker burgundy. I'm using that on the outer crease area, so it doesn't seem like it really makes a big difference, but that gradient effect looks really, really nice on a smoky eye. Like you could take just a regular black and blow it out, but it won't look as good, in my opinion. I mean, I've done that before where I just blew out a black and it looked good, but the gradient really looks a lot better. Okay, so let me tell you about this thing that I just put on my eye. I use this paste or whatever it is from NYX, and I don't think I'm gonna use it again for like a smoky eye because that stuff doesn't like hold very well. I don't know if you guys have ever used something like this, but it was like, it's supposed to leave like a glossy effect on the eye, and I liked how it looked at the end, but throughout the day, like, oh my gosh, if I needed to scratch my eye, or if, you know, something got in my eye and I had to rub my eye a little bit, like I had black everywhere, y'all. Like it was ridiculous. So now I'm just going through and I'm blending out all of the colors, and it's gonna take, it takes a little bit of time. Sometimes the blending is the longest part about doing your makeup look, but using the different brushes and going back through and just blending to put the colors back to where they were or how I want them to look. Something that I wanted to point out was when I was putting on that black. Oh wait, side note, I'll go back to that. Okay, so this super small brush is so that I can blend out that harsh black line. I don't want any like harsh lines. I want it to look more blown out. Okay, so when I was putting the black on, look. Okay. So I was putting the black on. I don't put the black all the way to the crease because I'm going to blend the black up. Like I'm going to smoke it out up like toward the brow bone. So when you're putting your black on, or whatever color that you're using to make a smoky eye, I just don't, just for me and my eye shape, it doesn't work well, especially because you're going to blow out the smoke. Blow out this, that's so funny. It just doesn't make sense to put it all the way up to the crease because then the smoky eye is going to go higher than you want it to go. So I usually put it a little bit lower and then blow it out. I hope that makes sense. If it didn't, let me know and then I'll try to explain it better in the comment section. Brows are always Benefit Cosmetics. You'll see me just going in and making sure that my eyes are level. Like I want them to be even, so I do a lot of assessing, you know what I'm saying, of my eyes to make sure it's just even and it's how I want it to look. Look her. Oh, she just keep looking. Who she thinks she is? She thinks she cute. She kind of cute. She not cute yet. She not done because I still got to put my face on, but It's really just going through and making sure that everything is blended. And I think the different shapes, or not shapes, but the different sizes of the brushes really make a difference when you're blending different colors. Alright, so when I do a smoky eye, doesn't matter what color I'm using for the smoky eye, I always use this highlighter from Ofra Cosmetics. It's like a stark crystal white color. I usually don't use it for anything else on my face or any other time when I'm doing my makeup except when I'm doing a smoky eye, because the contrast of the smoky eye with this really white inner eye highlight looks so pretty. Later on, I'm going to go in with a clean brush and just kind of blend out that inner eye highlight, because I hate it when I hate it for me when there's like just a glob of inner eye highlight. I feel like it really needs to be blended because it's the effect you're looking for. This is the end result. I've got my face done. She thinks she cute. Y'all, I haven't been wearing lashes lately. She just cute. Who she thinks she is? I don't even know, y'all. And here's my face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's super quick, showing you guys how I does what I does. I'm gonna get going because I got a lot of stuff to do today, but I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe if you have not, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye, y'all. No, my juice. Daddy bought juice. Mango? What's mango?